Can we introduce each other?
Okay, yeah, my name is Aarna Shukla. I'm 9 years old. I study in class 4. I study in a public school. I live. I'm talking to you from Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh, and I have a YouTube channel called The Aarna, where I upload conversational English videos. This is all about me.
Okay, great. My name is Shubham Loda. I am by profession chartered accountant. I have completed graduation along with that BCom, and I am currently living in Pune, Maharashtra. And I am also doing a practice of chartered accountancy in Pune city of Maharashtra. And my hobbies are listening music, reading books, and traveling, exploring new friends and world. That's how it is.
Okay, so can you please tell, like, you work in the CA, right?
Yes.
So, like, how would you work when you're working as a CA? Like, how would you do it?
As I say, we file tax of many of the business enterprises to government, and we help in a filing in compliance work to the government. Because if you are doing business and you are not following income tax law, GST law, or different company law, many other laws, then government will not allow you to continue business. But if you are following these all the laws, and many of the businessmen are not aware how to comply with different types of law, that's why they take our help to comply with the government policies and regulation from time to time and pay taxes to the government. Yes, that's how it.
Okay, so, like, go, now what is the full form of CA?
Chartered accountant.
Okay, so, like, you live in Maharashtra, right?
Yes, I am from Maharashtra.
So, what the strength do you see in people living in Maharashtra?
Because it is my first of all, it is my parents' dream to I become a chartered accountant. Then after that, I have after completing my 12th, I have along with the I am doing graduation. Along with that, I thought that I have to work for this professional degree, because in competitive environment, if we want to be different, then we have to put some hard work and smart work to gain different achievement in our life, so we can be contribute for the growth of our nation and our family. Yes, that's it. Okay, and what
Mm,
was
so,
your dream, Arna?
well, my dream is to become an IAS officer.
Okay, IS officer. Then, in which, I think you earlier told us you are studying right now in a fourth standard, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, then how are your studies going on?
Well, my studies are going great, and
Okay,
actually, they're my annual exams, so I have to study more.
yes. I think as you are a brilliant student, then of course you will achieve your dream in the future, and if you are consistent with the effort, then I think that it's not become problematic to achieve your dream. Yeah.
Mm, Thank you, thank you for your advice and right.
Yes. As we are elder, we you who is your inspiration so that you want to become an IS officer?
Well, I'm inspired by Karen Bailey.
Kiran Bedi. Oh, great. Yes, this lady is contributed in so many ways for the our Indian police system because they have a major role and they can impact society in a different way by taking different initiatives for like orphan children and those who are not able to afford their education. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And then have you visited Maharashtra?
No.
Okay. And what are if you want to visit in a future in any city, which would you like to visit and enjoy there?
Can you please repeat?
If you get any chance to visit any of the city of India, then which city you prefer to visit and want to explore things from there?
Well, I actually have visited to lots of places in India. If, so I think I would like to visit.
Sorry, what you told?
Well, I've visited lots of places in India, so if I ever get a chance to visit any other state, it would be, I think, Bihar, I can say.
Okay. Then how was the temperature in right now in your city, Bhopal?
Well, the temperature right now, I can say it's 12 degrees.
Okay. I think that's why is right now chilly season, winter season. That's why is a cold temperature, and that's why you have wear sweater. Yeah, that
Yes,
is
my favorite.
okay. Okay. Then what your parents are doing for their living?
Yes, sorry.
What your parents are doing for their living?
Well, my parents would are doing a profession. My father is a pharmacist, and my mother is a nurse.
Okay. And in your family, how many members are living?
There are 6 members.
Okay. Then when your exams are going ahead, exams are approaching.
Well, my exams are in 1st February or maybe in 3rd February.
Okay, great, great. Then what are your hobbies? Would you want to share with me?
Well, my hobbies are for dancing and playing and visiting new places.
Okay. I think that is your health is okay or not?
Well, yes, my health's okay.
And
Why?
I think that you have suffering from something. That's why you are taking pauses to respond my whatever I am asking. That's why I have asked. I thought that I have to ask that you whether you are well or not.
Yes, I'm fine actually.
Okay. Okay. What would you like to ask me?
Mm, like, what would you like to change in Maharashtra?
Maharashtra, there is so many developments are going to happen. But in earlier, it was when there is a Congress government, then there is so many projects and many of the companies are coming and doing their businesses and plant their factories and businesses in Maharashtra. But after Narendra Modi become prime minister, he is taking all projects outside Maharashtra. He is taking so many projects to Gujarat. That's why I think that the growth is become stagnant rather than the growing continuously. because the power plays a major role in the growth of any state. And if the leader is have so many commendable, and he takes all the states with all the takes simultaneously their growth, but he's not putting, he's focusing on only Gujarat and some other states. What do you think about Modi's leadership and his role in the growth of our India?
Well, I think Modi's leadership is good. I also like Narendra Modi.
Sorry, I didn't get what you told.
Well, actually, I think Narendra Modi's leadership is actually kind of good.
Yes, it is good, but he is focusing on some of the peoples and not taking the small peoples and small businesses for their growth. He's not considering the minor portion of our society. How can their businesses will be grown, or how can government provide subsidies and help to for the growth of their businesses. Yeah.
Well, actually, you don't know much politics.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Then no worries. I know. What are your favorite dishes? Would you like to eat and enjoy?
My favorite dishes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
my favorite. Well, I'm not actually a foodie, so I love lots of dishes. So I also like a healthy food, and I also like a little bit street food.
Okay. Okay. I think that we have talked for longer, so we can wrap up our session. And whenever we get free time in future, we will connect. It's nice to talking with you, Arna.
Mm, I also enjoyed this conversation with you. I also have to go because I think it's almost lunchtime.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes. I'm also going, but to lunch. But before going to lunch, I have opened this app. I think that I have get some messages. I have to see who is drop message. That's why I have opened this app, and then you have I seen your message, and I think that before going to lunch, we have to connect and do some valuable conversation. Yeah.
Yes, you're right. Just thank you for your precious time. I hope we meet again some other day. Bye.
Bye. Yeah.